Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to turn an existing task into a subtask in Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your tasks scheduled for today. So as you can see here guys, I have a couple of tasks right here, and if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see multiple options that you can use for viewing your tasks. You can use your inbox, or you can see your upcoming task, or you can see your filters and labels and so on. And here is my projects tab where I can create multiple projects depending on what my tasks are. So guys, you can see projects are where you group your tasks. As you can see, I have my education project, and here are all my education tasks. I have my work project, and here are all my work tasks. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and enter one of these projects. As you can see, I have a couple of tasks right here, just such as check my work emails and adapt my work routines. So let's say I want to make this task right here a subtask of this one. How do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy and you only need one step. All you have to do guys is go ahead and find the task that you want to make a subtask, and then look at the left side of the task. You can see this option right here that you can use for dragging the task wherever you want. This is very easy to do, and all you have to do guys, just drag it to the right side under the task where you want to make a subtask. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click it and then drag it right. As you can see under this task, you can see it is now right of the task, and now as you can see this option appeared, which means that we have created a subtask of the task. So as you can see, now we have a subtask right here. So that's how you make a subtask. If you want to remove it and bring it back to be a normal task, all you have to do is just drag it again and move it to the left side, and now it is no longer a subtask. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.